Imagine a situation where a popular payment app becomes a playground for scammers, costing billions of dollars in losses. That's exactly what's happening with Zelle, and now New York's Attorney General is stepping in to hold them accountable. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that the responsibility lies not just with Zelle, but with the banks that own and control it. Attorney General Letitia James has filed a lawsuit against Early Warning Services, the technology company behind Zelle, accusing them of neglecting to implement crucial safety measures that could have prevented millions of dollars in fraudulent transactions. Her office's investigation revealed that between 2017 and 2023, scammers managed to steal over $1 billion from unsuspecting Zelle users. What's particularly alarming is that Early Warning Services was aware of the vulnerabilities in their system from the outset. They chose not to incorporate essential safeguards, leaving users exposed to potential fraud. This decision comes amidst a backdrop of regulatory challenges. Earlier in the year, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau had pursued a similar case against Zelle, only to see it dismissed under the previous administration. James emphasized the need for protection against scams, stating, "No one should be left to fend for themselves after falling victim to a scam." She expressed her determination to seek justice for New Yorkers who have suffered due to Zelle's inadequate security measures. One of the primary issues highlighted in the lawsuit is Zelle's failure to implement robust verification processes. Fraudsters exploited this weakness, either gaining unauthorized access to user accounts or convincing individuals to send money to fake accounts masquerading as legitimate businesses. For example, a Zelle user received a phone call from someone pretending to be an employee of Con Edison, threatening to cut off electricity unless money was sent via Zelle. The victim transferred approximately $1,500 to an account named Con Billing, only to discover later that it was a scam. Unfortunately, the bank informed the victim that there was no recourse to recover the funds. Moreover, James contends that Zelle's marketing materials falsely promised secure and safe transactions, despite the fact that the banks supporting the platform had declined to adopt basic anti-fraud measures. Early Warning Services is majority-owned by some of the largest banks in the country, including JPMorgan Chase, Bank of America, Capital One, and Wells Fargo. In response to the lawsuit, Zelle released a statement dismissing the case as a political stunt aimed at generating press rather than making progress. They urged the Attorney General to focus on hard facts, stopping criminal activity, and adhering to the law, instead of pursuing what they consider to be overreach and meritless claims. This case raises important questions about the responsibilities of tech companies and financial institutions in safeguarding consumer data and preventing fraud. As we navigate the complexities of digital finance, it's crucial to strike a balance between innovation and security. What do you think? Should Zelle and the banks involved be held accountable for the security lapses, or is the onus on individual users to be more vigilant?